over the country. Rights and duties of citizen. Our Constitution confers the following rights for the citizen of India. Fundamental rights: right to vote in the election to the Lok Sabha and the state legislature, right to hold certain public offices, right to become the member of parliament and state legislature. According to 42 Amendment of our Constitution, a set of fundamental duties are prescribed for all citizens of India. For example, paying taxes honestly, respecting the rights, beliefs and opinions of others, defending the country, respect and obey state and local laws, and so on. Alien and immigrant are two terms that are used to refer to non-nationals of a country. Alien refers to all non-citizens or non-nationals residing in a country, example, tourists and foreign students. Immigrant refers to alien who has been granted the right to reside and work permanently without restriction in a particular country. Qualities of a good citizen: loyalty to the Constitution, obeying the laws, contributes to society and community, and performs civic duty. Qualities of goodness and justice, respecting the diversity. Overseas Indians Day. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, that is PBD, sponsored by Ministry of External Affairs of Government of India, is celebrated once in every 2 years to mark the contributions of overseas Indian community in the development of India. The day commemorates the arrival of Mahatma Gandhi in India from South Africa. Part 2 of the Constitution of India prescribes 3 ways of losing citizenship. One is renunciation, then termination, and another one is deprivation. Loss of citizenship by deprivation. It is a compulsory termination of Indian citizenship by the central government if citizenship obtained by fraud. Citizen has shown disloyalty to the Constitution of India. Citizen has unlawfully traded or communicated with the enemy during the war. Citizen within 5 years after naturalization or registration being imprisoned in any country for 2 years. Citizen has been ordinarily resident outside India continuously for 7 years. Loss of citizenship by renunciation. Any citizen of India of full age and capacity can make a declaration renouncing his Indian citizenship. Upon registration of such declaration, the person ceases to be citizen of India. If such a declaration made during a war in which India is engaged, its registration shall be withheld by the central government. Further, when a person renounces his Indian citizenship, every minor children of that person also loses Indian citizenship. However, at age of 18 years, they may resume the Indian citizenship. Loss of citizenship by termination. When an Indian citizen acquires voluntarily the citizenship of any other country, his Indian citizenship automatically terminates. However, this provision does not apply during a war in which India is engaged. Lesson recap. Citizen is a person of a country who is entitled to enjoy all the legal rights and privileges granted by a state. Part 2 of the Constitution of India, Articles 5 to 11, deals with the citizenship of India. Indian Citizenship Act of 1955 provides for the acquisition and determination of Indian citizenship. Our Indian Constitution provides for single citizenship